The Kingston HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical gaming keyboard differentiates itself with its simplicity. Amongst the sea of loud aggressive peripherals, the understated Alloy stands out with a clean utilitarian design. This pared-down gaming keyboard aims to offer top-notch performance with a sleek travel-friendly form factor.
Pros: 1. Tactile mechanical keys. 2. Clean simple design. 3. Chargeable USB. 4. Great consistent performance.
Cons: 1. A bit heavy. 2. Cherry MX blue switches are loud. A clean design and laser focus make the Kingston HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical keyboard a great choice for gamers who want a streamlined peripheral. While it has become the norm for high-end gaming keyboards to offer full RGB lighting, the Kingston HyperX Alloy is all about keeping it simple. Instead, the keyboard offers an attractive red LED backlight that can be toggled between 6 lighting modes and 5 brightness levels. While the keys of the Alloy can be activated with a quick, concise stroke, the MX Cherry Blues also offers full consistent travel with satisfying feedback. I absolutely love the tactile sensation of the key's forceful feedback and the loud audible pop as each key snaps into place.
Thanks for watching.